Okay, this week I'm coming at you with a video from Kranjska Gora. I also visited Zelenci, Jezero Jasna, and Planica. So it's going to be very exciting. We had quite the start to our journey. We had planned to leave by car, but as you can see in this picture, we had a flat. So we had to change plans. We hopped on a train and we made it. But it was quite the start to the journey. But after getting there, I'll show you a bunch of views, but just the surrounding mountains of our lodge were absolutely stunning. And then the whole journey and the whole walk through the town was amazing. As we were walking through the town, you can kind of see how small and quaint and picturesque this little town is. And I try to give you the experience as if you were walking through the city to Jezero Jasna. And then Jezero Jasna itself was absolutely beautiful. The first side we went to with the Capricorn sheep, it was frozen. So we went to the other side and it was absolutely stunning. The backdrop of the Julian Alps, you could see the trout and the fish swimming in the water. Of course, I got a video of that and I'll show you. But yeah, there were so many amazing things on this trip and I really enjoyed it. Planica at the end was quite the surprise. We stopped there on our way home from our trip and it was kind of like a must-see kind of thing. When we got there, we had to pay, I think, €3 to park. But yeah, we walked like halfway up one of the ski jumps and we got a good view of the mountains and the surrounding area and really how crazy the jump is that these guys do. So obviously I have good footage and videos and pictures. And hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks, see ya. Anyways, I have good images of this spot, so I'll definitely show you that. I'm looking forward to showing you this video. A lot of it is going to be kind of me just walking through the city and showing you the surrounding mountains and kind of the journey from our cabin to the actual lake. 30 to 40 minute walk. So it wasn't the shortest walk, but it was very picturesque. And you'll see that from the footage here. On the way back, I snagged some mulled wine and I'll show you that as well. But yeah, overall, incredible time. Okay, we are currently walking to Jezero Jasna, Lake Jasna. We are in Kranjska Gora, which is a northern region, northwest region. It borders Italy and Austria. So just to kind of give you an understanding, I'll show you a picture on the map of where we are. But we are walking to the lake, and Jasna means clear in Slovenian. So the water obviously is going to be very clear. So looking forward to it. We just made it to Jezero Jasna. It is frozen, so it's behind me. As you can see, it's frozen, but look at the view. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's currently -1 degree Celsius, but it feels like -4 degrees. That's like 30 degrees Fahrenheit, or I guess 25 maybe. So anyways, yeah, it's a little chilly. Okay, this is the Capricorn sheep. Okay, this is Gams. It's a popular sheep animal, deer thing. In Slovenia, it's a deer of the Alps. So these are the Julian Alps here. But yeah, in English, this is called a Capricorn. So it's like a, yeah, it's like a, as you can see, it's like a goat, sheep, mountain thing. Okay, so this place is amazing. In the summer, you can also come here and swim. The water is about 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, so it's still really cold. But everyone comes here. 10 to 12 degrees Celsius is about 50 degrees. A little higher, maybe 52, 53 degrees Fahrenheit. But you can come here and swim in the summer, and it's amazing from what I hear. Surrounded now by the Julian Alps. It is so amazing and beautiful. I went and visited the goat, the Capricorn. As you will see, surrounding the lake, there's a bunch of like hotels and apartments. So you can come and stay There's also a ski resort nearby because there's obviously skiing here. So this place kind of has it all. It has the skiing, it has the swimming, it has, they have these like pods right by the lake that are for cafes. They have saunas by the lake. Yeah, it's just, it's very cool, small mountain town. And obviously I'm really enjoying it. This is right up my alley, as you would say in the United States. So yeah, this place is very cool. And there's definitely some tourists here, but it's not as busy as a summer day would be, because from my understanding, it's a very popular spot to come. Originally, we're at the part of the lake that was frozen. Then we went to the other side. There's two sides of the lake. It's split by like this walkway kind of, or how do you say it? Like a peninsula splits it. So one side of the lake is frozen, one side's not. The non-frozen side is deeper probably. That's my guess. Yeah, but yeah, the water is amazing. It's as you'll see, it is so clear and beautiful. You can see every fish that swims, every stone in the bottom. And then obviously we had the ducks as well come and visit while we were up on the tower. So yeah, this place is very cool, and the water is breathtaking. I think it's just mountain runoff, so it's very clear. And my friend said you can just drink the water here, just like, I don't know, you can just walk up to a stream and get a handful of water, which I don't know. I feel like you'd maybe get sick, but they say no. So, all right, I've just gotten some Slovenian mulled wine. It's just cooked wine. It's so nice because it's pretty cold today, and it tastes amazing. This one, I got the red, and it's not as sweet as the white one, but I tried both, and they're very good. But I'll show you a picture of it. It's very nice. Okay, I've just learned that the cooked wine in Slovenian is kukuno vino. So that's what it is, kukuno vino. It's very good. All right, we just got to Planica. This is one of the centers of ski jumping in the world. So as you can see behind me, these are massive ski jumps. As you can tell how small these people are in comparison to the hill. But yeah, we just got here. This is like a national treasure from what my Slovenian friends say. It's like one of the must-sees in Slovenia. And obviously you're surrounded by the Julian Alps, which is beautiful. But yeah, this place is very cool. And then Slovenia is known, they have two brothers, I think. I don't know their names, but they are renowned ski jumpers. And this is probably where they train, I imagine. But yeah, there's actually stairs to go up, which is just unbelievable. I can't imagine hiking this straight up stairs. But I'll show you a quick video of what this looks like. All right, so you can come here. I don't know what time of year, I guess, really before winter gets here. And you can sled, as you can see. There's families sledding, and yes, we're walking up these stairs on the way up. Yeah. Video. Hi. I bet that water is so cold. Okay. So this is a little stop off the side of the road. It's called Zelenci. It was made from glaciers coming down and tearing through the valley, and then the water pooled here. In the water, you can see these like air pockets called mini volcanoes. It has to do with something along the geological state of the ground floor. It's of like basically fine limestone. And so the fine limestone, there's some kind of reaction, and it creates these air pockets and bubbles. Planica. I have good footage and videos and pictures, and yeah, footage and videos are the same, but 40-minute walk, I think. 30 to 40 minute walk. How do you say lake again? What? Jezero. We just made it to Jezero Jasna. These are the Julian Alps, right? But what else do I say? I don't know. I'm trying to think. Slovenia. Hold on, let me say it right. Slovenia. Also, my hair. Holy, look at this hair. I gotta fix this. My camera roll is like stupid thick.